In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy section. Over here. Quick tip, if you don't have Screen Lock already, this Pixel won't let you add face data unless you set one up. So after going into Device Unlock, begin by setting up Screen Lock first if you don't have it. Then tap on Face section, enter your Screen Lock, tap on More at the bottom right corner a few times, and after reading all of those informations and disclaimers, select I agree at the bottom right corner to continue. Now after tapping on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. More again if you wish to set up fingerprint unlock instantly, or if you don't, you can just exit settings. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!